So people tell me all the time, oh, Tony, I can't meet people in a pandemic. And I just want to remind you that sometimes someone can land right on your doorstep, as was my experience today. Here's, this is Sam. Sam's working, he's doing an amazing job cleaning the windows. And we just got into a little conversation about why it is that people are afraid to meet people. What was it you mentioned about elevators, Sam, about?
Yeah, like sometimes even just standing next to someone in an elevator, it's hard and rare to even have a conversation there. And it takes that little bit of extra effort to like kind of put yourself out there to start a conversation in the first place.
And when you'd ask me, why do I think that it is that people don't put the effort in, it's a couple of reasons, there's several reasons, but one of them is people don't know that they probably won't get rejected. And secondly, another big one is people often don't know the huge benefits of just talking to other people. And so, I just want to thank you so much for your time today as you're working away. It's good to have a little chat on the balcony amongst these times of rapid change, and wish you a good day. Cheers.
Totally.
Pleasure.
Cheers. Have a good one.
Thanks, man. Sam, again, when he came down just the other side here, there's his ropes there, and asked him a couple more questions. I asked, well, actually, the first question I asked him was, what is it, like, how many weird or strange things have you seen working on apartment building windows? And he said that he actually rarely sees inside, like he rarely looks inside. It's not something he tries to do. But often there are a lot of pets that will come and like try and get to the ropes and stuff like that, which is kind of cool. And I also asked him what the highest building is that he worked on. He said 47 stories, a building in downtown Calgary. And that was the first building that he worked on. And he loves the job. And it's just been really fun to see him hanging out, literally. Really, really cool. So yeah, if someone just lands on your doorstep, don't be afraid to say hello. Probably have a good conversation. Take care. Detail that I forgot to mention is that when I met Sam, I was in fact in quarantine at that time, because I got exposed to someone who had the famous virus, and I was not affected. So you can actually meet people while you're in quarantine, and it just requires a little bit of openness to have a conversation when the opportunity arises. So I encourage you to do that for your own mental health, do that for your own sense of curiosity, and allow yourself to talk to a window washer if he or she shows up on your doorstep. Take very good care.